Smoke out grilling. This is what I talk about, a smorgasbord. We got some special sauce chicken from my mother-in-law Rosa, and the T-bones courtesy of Brian Warren. And it is going down. Smoke out grilling, smorgasbord. See you soon. Wow, Hot Mama is making up for lost time. We got the steaks on the top rack, ready to be bathed in our butter sauce with butter, thyme, garlic, and basil. It's gonna be crazy. And we got on the left side, oh my gosh, we got special recipe by Rosie. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, Smoke Out Grilling is about to enter smorgasbord feast mode. See you later. Now, before this gets out of hand, you have to take a look at this. Look at this brown butter sauce drizzling over. Yeah, Lucas, look. We're drizzling this butter sauce right over this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Papa. Yeah. Smoke Out Grilling, Hot Mama, about to, yeah, it's a fire. Hot Mama is going wild. Smoke Out Grilling is going crazy today. T-bone on top of T-bone on top of T-bone. Just T-bones on top of T-bone. Smoke Out Grilling is out. We about to eat.